Hello dears, welcome back to today's session. My dears, in our previous classes, we were in a journey to create a document in MS Word. We have studied many options. So today my dears, let's discuss some more tools that helps you to modify our document such as cover page, page break, blank page, page border, page color, how to insert watermark, etc. So let's have a look on each of these one by one. Let's start our journey. Come on.
Cover page option is used to design the front page of a document with pre-designed cover pages. MS Word 2010 offers a gallery of fully formatted cover pages. To add a cover page, first click on Insert tab, click on Pages group, click on Cover Page icon. Choose a cover page that you want from the drop-down list. Click on the sample text and type your own text. Can you see a section here? Type the document title. Yes, that's the place where you can type a title for your cover page. See, I am typing here sample cover page. So these are the steps to insert a cover page. Next, let's study page break. What is the use of page break option? Page break option is used to insert a page break in a Word document. To insert a page break, follow the given step. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert a page break. Here, I need a page break between these two sections, that is in between cover page and page break option. And step 2, you click on Insert tab, Pages group, Page break option. Now, you can see a break appears between these two sections. This is how our page appears after we have done the page break option. See, two different pages. Next option we are going to study is blank page. To insert a blank page, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert a page break. Step 2. Click Insert tab, Pages group, Blank page option. Next, let's study page border. What is the use of page border option? Page border option is used to change the border of a page. In order to apply a page border, click on Page Layout tab. After clicking Page Layout tab, select Page Background Group. Page Background Group. From there, select Page Borders option. Then you can see the borders and shading dialog box appears as you are seeing on the screen. From here, you can select the color for a border. Then you can select the width, or there is an option called art. From there, you can select any art form. When you select each, you can see the border appears like this. It is applied for all the pages. Next, let's study how can you apply a color to the entire page using the page color option. To apply color to the page, first you click on Page Color option or the Page Background group in the Page Layout tab. What is it? Click on Page Color option in the Page Background group in the Page Layout tab. Now you can see different colors appearing on the screen. Select a color of your choice, then it will be coming on the screen. See the beauty of our screen after applying page color. Yes, this is how we have to apply page color. My dears, do you know what you mean by watermark? Yes, watermarks are text or pictures that appear behind the document text. In order to apply watermark, first you click on Page Layout tab. From there select Page Background Group and after that select Watermark option. Select a style from the drop down list. Next, if you want to add more options like picture watermark, text watermark, color, etc., select from custom watermark option. See, there's an option called text. Type your own text there in that box. Here, I'm going to type the text K.E. Carmel. After typing our text, you can click on OK button. Now, our text appears on the screen as watermark.
Dears, I hope today's topic is clear to you. Is it? Yeah. Okay, my dears. So we will meet with a new session in our next class. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next class, dears.